Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is, yes, Beautify Me Channel TV. If today is your first time of coming across this video, please do hit the subscription button. Press the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you have subscribed to my channel before, thank you and God bless you. Yes, let's dive into today's topic. But before we go into today's topic, I want to wish everyone that have subscribed to my channel that God will continue to bless you. I appreciate you all for all that you have done. May God continue to bless you. Please do hit the subscribe button once again and press this notification bell. Yes, let's go straight into this video. Today's video, we are going to talk about be yourself. Be yourself. That is the topic of today's video. How do one be him or herself? Be yourself is the topic. Today, being yourself, be who you are, be whatever thing that you are. Don't try to be someone else. Be yourself. Be yourself, not someone else. Don't copy people. Be you. You don't need to be someone else. You don't need to be that person. You don't need to be A. You don't need to be B. You don't need to be Mr. C or Mrs. C or Mrs. F. Be you. Be proud of who you are. Associate with people that are proud of you. Don't force yourself into people. This is you. Don't live a fake life. Don't fake your life for any reason. Anybody will love you for you. Anybody will love you for who you are, not what people think about you. Because when you don't love yourself, people will not love you. First and foremost, you need to love yourself. You need to be you. You don't need to be someone else. You don't need to copy people to be okay. You don't need to do things others do for you to be fine. You just have to be you. You just have to be who you are. That is it. You just have to be who you are and not to copy other people. When you start copying people, it will be very difficult for you to let go. That is what I call living a fake life. Living the life that you are not proud of. Living the life that you can't go out there and boast of who you are. Be yourself. Be who you are. Appreciate yourself. Cherish yourself. Live your life to the way you want to live it. You don't need to live other people's life just because you want to belong. Just because you want people to hear about you. Just because you want to be at the top. No. No. You have to be you. You have to be who you are. You have to appreciate yourself the way God has made you to be. God loves you just the way you are. Be who you are. Don't deceive people about what you are not. Don't fake people of what you are not. Love yourself. First of all, you have to love yourself. Love yourself first, and other things will fall into place. But when you refuse to love yourself, that is when you start having problems with people and for yourself. Be yourself. Be who you are. You don't have to have everything in the world for you to love yourself. No. The little you have is something. It does something for you. God appreciates it. Yes. You just have to be you. You have to be yourself no matter how you look. Some people will say, I don't like this my look. I don't like my leg. My legs are giving me problem. My head is giving me problem. I don't like this kind of face God gives to me. You want to change what God created you to be. I am not saying looking good or looking beautiful is a bad thing. No, I'm not saying that. But you have to be yourself. You have to appreciate who you are. You have to appreciate your being. You have to appreciate yourself. You have to love yourself for who you are, not what people think of you. Because people will always think, be it positive, be it negative, they will always talk. Yes, it's the truth. They will always talk. They will always see one reason or the other to talk about you. But if you do not love yourself, then that's when you start listening to people and you start living the life that is fake. You start living the life that you do not want to live. Because why? You refuse to be who you are. You refuse to be yourself. Be yourself. Be who you are. Inspire yourself. Love you. Because if you feel less of yourself, that is where the problem sets in. That is when you want to become who you are not. That is when you want to fake your life. That is when you want to fake your life. That is when you want to fake you as a person. You have to live your life. You have to love your life. You have to be there for yourself. Love yourself. Cherish yourself. Celebrate yourself. Because when you don't love yourself, others will look down on you. But the way you carry yourself, the way you address yourself matters a lot. You have to love yourself no matter how you look, no matter your look, no matter whether you are short, slim, beautiful, ugly, average look, it doesn't really matter. The most important thing that matters in life as human is for you to love yourself. When you love yourself, other things follow. Other things fall into places. But when you do not love yourself, that is when the problems comes in. That is when the step backwardness comes in. You have to be yourself. You have to love yourself. Cherish yourself. Love yourself more than anything in this wide world. Be you. Be who you are. Do not fake anything. Because when you fake it, at the end of the day, you are going to regret it. Yes. A lot of people out there fake things that they are not. They do things that they are not. They live the life of lies, lies of deceit, life that are not of them, just because they want to impress one or two persons. Who is this person you want to impress? Who? What is his or her worth in your life that you want to impress? And just neglect of who you are and where you are coming from. My brothers, my sisters, love yourself. Love yourself no matter what in this world. When you love yourself, that is the most enjoyable thing in life. Love yourself. Be who you are. Don't let people live their life for you. Don't let people live your life for you. Be the landlord of your life. Yes, be the landlord of your life. Be the landlady of your life. Choose whom you want to mingle with. Choose who you want your friends to be. Don't let them choose you. Choose who you want to move on with. Don't let them choose you. Be who you are. It's just a simple and short message. Just a simple and short message. Love yourself. Be who you want to be, but do not let people dictate for you. Do not let people look down on your personality. Because by the time you love yourself less, that is when people will love you less. But when you love yourself, other things will fall into place. It doesn't matter how hard things are, but trust me, at the end you will be fine. You will be just fine. You will be just perfect, and you will be okay. Love yourself. Be yourself. Don't fake anything for anyone. Just be who you are. Carry yourself the way you want to be addressed. Don't fake your life. Don't fake yourself. Don't fake anything for anyone. Fake yourself. Be who you want to be. Be you. The real you. And people will appreciate you for who you are. Okay? No matter how hard it is, just be you. I love you. I hope you found this video helpful in one way or the other. May God continue to keep us safe. Stay safe. Stay at home. And please give this video a huge thumbs up. Leave your comment on the comment box, and God will bless you. Thank you, and bye for watching. Bye.